Hello everyone! In this video we're going to have a look at the user interface of vSolution Composer. With the vSolution Composer user interface there are two outputs for the students, could be a projection behind us and a control screen here for the academic, for example when it comes to a lecture hall installation. What we see down here, there's the prepare section and we have at the top of the screen we have the live section. If I want to do a presentation, I can prepare now different contents down here, which is not visible for the audience. So let's say we use the plus button down here to open up the source menu to bring in content. That could be applications which are running on the sign-up itself. That's, for example, a Teams window, Teams call, but also a built-in browser, a digital whiteboard, and so on and so on. But also the connected devices such as a visualizer, a document camera, which is connected over HDMI, can be prepared in the prepare section. So let's do that. Pressing on the plus button, and now we can bring in the visualizer by tapping on the icon. This will bring it to the control screen, to the prepare section and close the source menu, or we just drag and drop it up here to the prepare section. It's even possible to go live and release the drag and drop gesture. Now the menu stays open and I can bring up more content. The second button here is the file browser. So any kind of files can be directly opened on the system, can be a PowerPoint presentation, PDF, a video, audio file, which is available, for example, on a USB stick, which is connected, but also the network drive or your cloud drive, depending on the configuration. So let's bring up, for example, a PDF, again, with drag and drop. It will stay open. With a tap, it will close automatically. Also, bring your own devices built in. If you want to use your Windows, Mac or Android device, and for example here, use an AirPlay session, we can now connect to the system and it is available in the prepare section. Even the students can connect because it is not live on the screen and can be prepared up front. Once we're ready to start the presentation, we have two outputs, the two screens behind us, a drag and drop gesture will bring up now the content to the screens and it's now visible for the students. The X button at the top of the symbols will close the content, so it's closed, it's not available anymore. If we want to replace it or just bring it back down, it's that easy, a drag and drop. Now we're back down in the prepare section and maybe go up with the PDF. But also we can replace it directly with the new content. So let's bring it up. We get the indicator for replacing, or on the side we get the indicator for adding content. So let's replace the content. The new content is on the screen, the replaced content back in the prepare section. If we go to the side, now it is side by side. If we want to, let's say, prepare the document such as the PDF, we can tap directly on the icon. The control interface will open up here and now we can swipe between the pages. It's not visible for the students because it's in the prepare section, and we can also use the control buttons down here or the annotation layer to annotate on the content. If we're done with the preparation, just a tap on the side will close it. We press save and now it is prepared. But also we can do exactly the same thing when it's live. So what we can see here is the document camera which is connected. So let's tap on this icon. Now it is live on the screen. I can zoom in and zoom out to the content and use the annotation live for the students to show or highlight any kind of content. Once we're done, we press on the side. If we decide to save it, it will stay on the screen. If we delete it, this snapshot is deleted from the system. So let's save. Now we see on the prepare section, the annotated content is live and the live content down here is still in the prepare section. On the right top of the screen, we have two functions. One is the mirroring feature. Mirroring means it's always the same content on both screens. So when we bring up, again, let's say the annotated snapshot, it's on both screens. And depending on your configuration of your installation, just a hit on the recording button here will start the recording to Panopto to your network drive, depending on the configuration. So these are the basic controls of vSolution Composer, and thanks for watching.